Hello friend, in this video we will discuss the three things. The first one is we can say is what is tracking. The second thing is what is clearance, and the third one is what is creepage. So in this video we will understand what all this means, what is the difference between them. So we will start with tracking. Tracking, if we study from here, it is written the flow of leakage currents through the surface deposit is called tracking. So means, let's say we have a two conductors, conductor 1 and conductor 2, through which the current is passing. Now the if there is a flow of current through this surface because of the surface deposit, if some deposit is here, and due to which, like, deposit may be a salt, oil, water, or anything that 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 affect the insulation through which the current pass, so that is known as the tracking. Now the second thing is what is clearance. So the clearance is the direct distance between the two conductors. So it is the direct distance between the two conductor is known as clearance. So the third one is what is the creepage. Creepage means the if we it is the path of the surface of the insulations between two conductors, so that is known as a creepage. So means the this is the path, it is shown here, from one conductor to the another conductors on the surface of the insulation is known as creepage. So now we will understand the basic definition of the tracking, clearance and creepage. So now we will understand why the clearance and creepage is important. If the current is flowing from one conductor and the two conductors, and if the clearance is very less, so then what will happen, there is chances that the current will flow from the air from one conductor to the another conductors, so this will cause a arc flash. So arc flash is very dangerous, so that's why we maintain a clearance between the two conductors, so that there must not be any flow of the current. This also arc flash depend upon the voltage. If the voltage is more, we need to increase the clearance. If the voltage is less, we can reduce the clearance little bit. So in this way we can check the clearance of that particular things, and it does not depend upon any deposit. But in case of creepage, the current flow from one conductor to the another conductors is depend upon the deposits of surface deposits on that insulation. So let's say here some water is there on the surface, so what will happen, the current flow from here to here, and it will cause a short circuit, and here it is cause the arc flashing, and on the down creepage it is caused the short circuit. So in order to avoid these things, we need to maintain the creepage and the clearance. The clearance is in the design stage, so we cannot do much with the clearance. It is designed during the design time. We understand what will be the voltage for this equipment. On the basis of that, we just maintain the clearance. What the creepage, with time it will cause the salt, oil or the water deposit on the surface, it will affect the creepage. So we need to maintain it, clean it during the maintenance, so that the current will not pass from here to here. Now we understand, whenever we do any maintenance on any equipments, let's say this is the terminals of the motors, we need to clean each and every insulation between the conductors, any water deposit, any dust deposit we need to clean, so that its creep is maintained and there is no short circuit between the two conductors, and it will not affect our motors. Hope this will clear the difference between tracking, clearance and creepage. If it is done, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.